How to create a frame that stays in view in Wix Studio. So if you want to create a frame like that, what you can do is you can just head over and add in here an animation that you want. So onto that particular animation, just head over and then input in here an element that you want. For this particular element, head over and click on it. Then click onto this inspector option right here. And then just click onto this design option. And then scroll down until you can see the position. So we have in here position, and under that is the position type. So we have the default position, which is actually scrolling as usual. So you can either click onto this sticky option, and in that way, it will actually stick to that particular position. However, if you want to actually stays it in view, what you can do is to make sure to add it onto the pin right here. So make sure to input that particular element and pin. So whenever you try to scroll down, it will stay still on view. So that's how you create the frame that stays in view in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.